Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle series is designed for players who demand unmatched performance, durability, and control. Available in 3 models, the Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control, each paddle is crafted to meet the specific needs of different playing styles, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. The Vanguard Power Air is ideal for players who want explosive power without sacrificing control. This paddle features Selkirk's exclusive Power Air technology, which enhances the sweet spot and maximizes power while maintaining a lightweight feel for faster reactions. For players seeking a balance of control and power, the Vanguard Pro is the go-to option. Built with carbon fiber and 360 proto molding, this paddle offers superior precision and spin. The Vanguard Pro provides a slightly larger sweet spot for those who want consistent performance on every shot, whether it's a hard drive or a soft dink. The Vanguard Control is designed for players who prioritize accuracy and touch. Its flex foam perimeter adds a softer touch around the edges, allowing for exceptional control during delicate shots. The paddle is perfect for those who enjoy a more strategic, finesse-based approach to the game. Each paddle in the Vanguard series is engineered with carbon fiber construction, making them lightweight yet strong. The 360 proto molding ensures an even distribution of weight across the paddle for enhanced balance and responsiveness. Additionally, the flex foam perimeter provides extra protection and durability to withstand the rigors of frequent play. Whether you're a power hitter, a control player, or looking for the perfect all-around paddle, the Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle Series offers exceptional performance and durability for every type of player. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance option designed to offer the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive players. Whether you're just starting or are an experienced pickleball enthusiast, this paddle is engineered to elevate your game. Featuring Head's signature graphite composite surface, the Radical Elite paddle delivers exceptional power and superior ball control. The composite surface enhances both the spin and accuracy of your shots, allowing you to place the ball exactly where you want it. This technology makes the paddle responsive on every hit, giving players the confidence to execute powerful drives or soft dinks with ease. The paddle is built with a lightweight polymer core, which offers excellent shock absorption and vibration reduction during gameplay. This core design ensures that you maintain comfort even during long matches, as the paddle reduces the strain on your arm and wrist. The lightweight construction also enhances maneuverability, allowing for quick reactions and faster responses, especially in fast-paced exchanges at the net. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle features a rounded shape that maximizes the sweet spot for a more forgiving feel, making it easier to hit consistent shots. Its ergonomic grip offers a secure hold, providing added comfort and control throughout your game. Approved for USAPA tournament play, this paddle is built to meet the needs of players seeking high performance and reliable durability on the court. Whether you're playing for fun or competing at a high level, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle provides everything you need for a competitive edge. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Z5 is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for players who want the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. Crafted with graphite and carbon fiber, this paddle delivers exceptional durability and lightweight responsiveness for players at all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors. The graphite surface of the Z5 offers superior control and precise ball placement, making it an excellent choice for players who prioritize accuracy and finesse. The carbon fiber construction enhances strength while maintaining a lightweight feel, ensuring that players can react quickly to every shot. This combination allows for optimal power on drives without compromising the ability to execute delicate dinks and volleys. One of the standout features of the Onix Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which provides a comfortable, ergonomic feel during extended play. The grip absorbs vibrations, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing your overall comfort, so you can focus on your game without distractions. Whether you're playing in a fast-paced competitive match or a casual recreational game, the cushion comfort grip ensures you have a secure hold and improved control over the paddle. The wide body shape of the paddle expands the sweet spot, making it easier to hit accurate shots even on off-center hits. This design maximizes consistency and playability, ensuring that you can perform well, whether you're up at the net or working from the baseline. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddle offers a perfect blend of lightweight construction, durable materials, and a comfortable grip, making it an ideal choice for players looking for a versatile paddle that can enhance their performance on the court. Number 4. Joola Perseus 3S. The Joola Perseus 3S pickleball paddle is a high-performance paddle that combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials, making it ideal for competitive and recreational players alike. Designed in collaboration with top player Ben Johns, this paddle is engineered to deliver power, control, and precision for players of all levels. One of the standout features of the Perseus 3S is its propulsion core, a technology that provides exceptional ball response, offering powerful shots without sacrificing control. The charged carbon surface technology enhances the paddle's durability and increases its spin potential, giving players the ability to generate more wicked spins on serves and ground strokes. This surface also maximizes the sweet spot, providing consistent performance even on off-center hits. The elongated body shape of the Perseus 3S allows for a larger sweet spot and improved reach, giving players greater accuracy and control when executing shots from different areas of the court. This design is particularly beneficial for those who like to play at the net or use powerful drives from the baseline. For added innovation, the NFC chip-enabled feature allows players to scan the paddle and access exclusive content, such as personalized tips from Ben Johns and other advanced training resources. This feature provides a unique way to enhance your pickleball skills and improve your performance. Approved by the UPA, USA Pickleball Association, and certified for tournament play, the Joola Perseus 3S is a paddle that delivers top-tier performance. Whether you're looking for powerful drives, spin control, or a large sweet spot, this paddle is engineered to help you take your game to the next level. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is designed to offer a perfect blend of style, performance, and comfort, making it ideal for players at all levels, from novices to professionals. Featuring vibrant colors and a sleek design, this paddle is not only eye-catching but also delivers elite power and precision on the court. Crafted with a fiberglass surface, the Tangerine paddle offers exceptional control and spin on every shot. The fiberglass construction ensures a responsive feel, providing the right balance between powerful drives and accurate touch shots, making it versatile for all types of play. Whether you're smashing the ball from the baseline or executing a soft dink at the net, this paddle enhances your ability to place shots with pinpoint accuracy. The paddle features a lightweight honeycomb core, which contributes to its aerodynamic design while absorbing impact and providing superior control. This core construction offers a combination of powerful ball response and shock absorption, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. The lightweight feel ensures that players can maintain quick reactions and effortless maneuverability, giving them a competitive edge in fast-paced rallies. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is USAPA approved, making it suitable for official tournament play. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced player seeking an upgrade, this paddle is designed to boost your performance and elevate your game. With its combination of vibrant aesthetics, premium construction, and high-performance features, The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is a fantastic choice for players who want power, control, and style in every shot.